KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Usembon Menteri Rangba jangka jelna ubak Preston Tensong hakasngi palai jangka khat khandai tarik ubenai Jembang Arajar Arpuar oleh atho baka sorkar kalaptha yo chief engineer bad yiki engineers bakin lej jurep bad ban pha maramot no mardor yeke jingking hasurok Shillong Maulai bypass hadin baka khandau kalangam hagani ka jingking naka jingther jong labba ubajor hagani ki khandiat sngi hagajing yakran bad kilat pathai khubor ubak Preston oleh atho ru Baka sorkar kalaptha yaki officer jong katanat PWD building bakin hiar jurip yaka jinglong jingman jong ke interstate bus terminus kabadan hakasnong mauyong rim hadin balami ke khubor dang hagini ki khendiat sngi baka building kala jreng tangshuwan ulabba ubajor.
Now it is good, but the leakage, I've seen it also. The leakages is so much. So just because of the leakages is there, is it not safe? It is safe, but what I'm trying to tell you, wherever need be to be done, they need to do it. So we have already asked the engineer concerned, we have already asked all the SDOs, the technical wing, who has been there till the completion of the project. So they are the ones to do things. Because see, we have two sections of roads, two quality of road. One is state and the other one is national. Talk about this Umyam Lake, that Umyam Bridge. That is different issue altogether because the lifespan is over. And I already told you the other day that right now we are exploring the alternative bridge. The alternative bridge where we need to immediately take up this project, construct a new bridge, maybe upstream or maybe downstream. I've already asked our chief engineer to inspect to see about all this. And once that is done, I think this issue will be of court meeting. Kalau saya ingat saya show meeting sahabat ka revenue department lo. Nomor P, but only ya ka actual damages cost. Brok kau ka megelangi nampak tu. Nomor P kan don ke prosedur. Ke prosedur kalau bahatin bejot ke surok. Lene ketua PJK. Lane klaim kaye, lane ke landslide apa surok. Kenemuan kalong ban nakaliang kapeludi, lada day bat kapeludi. Kamu wood ni hap report CDC. Kenang bagi DC pada kin IFIR. Hadin nang ta ginlej ia kaban assess. Ban sinagi estimate. Kenang ban ono ban restu bak ia kan ka surok. Di hadin jom kata then na PGC kin assess kin ha siapa revenue mo bagi ong ka state SRDF kan dia ada maka SRDF dan nang ni pen state kin koi siapa NRDF na kam ta kin release apa te ko mo pi yang mentang ni namla ban ngamla ban ong ban ka ai kan nu try ka damage apa kawai ka bro kawai ke jelas ni amar ko mo pi la ka jong sektor pi ong ya karep yang ka don ni kejing jot pi ong ya ka yeng ka sem ka don kejing jot te pi ong ya ka lenti ka sengke ka surok ka don ka sulong pe ni hapan long ready balada chia ba don ka landslide don kum gini kejing kit ya ka jingking la ni ka jing you kamu nakaliang jong ka government not necessarily only beauty kamu ni hapan long proactive kadang ba ka traffic flow kanun kita siapi nong kendong ni ban connect lu ya ki district